Alam mo ba kung ano ang gaslighting? It's a kind of manipulation. Kung saan napapaisip ka kung mali ka, kahit totoo naman ang nararamdaman mo. Parang ikaw ang nagsasalita, pero sila ang nagdidikta kung ano ang totoo sa mga usapang panrelihiyon. Minsan nagkakaroon ng spiritual gaslighting at hindi mo agad mapapansin. Here are 3 signs to watch out for. 1. Alam mo naman ang totoo, ayaw mo lang aminin. You already know the truth, you just don't want to admit it. They're not listening to your questions. Pinapalabas lang nila na nagtatago ka. Your doubt is treated like denial. Ginagawang kasalanan ng pagiging totoo mo. 2. Gusto mo lang ng ibang paniniwala kasi ayaw mong sumunod. You just want a different belief because you don't want to obey. Hindi na nila pinapansin ang dahilan mo. Para bang pinili mo lang ang convenient na belief para makaiwas sa rules. That's not fair and that's not truth. 3. Sa nagpapansin ka lang. You just want attention. This one hits hard. Kahit totoo ang tanong mo, kahit totoo ang sakit mo, pinapalabas lang na drama. That's not love. That's gaslighting. If you've heard these lines before, know that you are being gaslighted. And the best way to counter it? Stay grounded in truth. Keep asking honest questions. And never let anyone rewrite your story. Like, comment, and follow for more honest faith talks.